What's up guys, Track Palmer here. In this video, I will show you how to install this all-around complete strut on this 2007 Honda Civic. The process will be similar for any 8th generation Honda Civic. There are some signs that will tell you that your strut is bad. When driving and going over bumps, if you feel that the strut is not absorbing those shocks, they need to be replaced. If you notice that the ride height of your vehicle has dropped, your strut might need to be replaced. Finally, if you see oil leaking from your strut, then they will need to be replaced. The tools needed for this job are jack and jack stands, socket set with ratchet, a breaker bar, a torque wrench, a clip removal tool or pry tool, and you might also need some clip as well. Clips tend to break. Having an impact gun or impact driver will make this job easier, and if you're using an impact driver, you might need this adapter right here. I also will be using a 17mm wrench. The whole process involves breaking the lug nuts, lifting the vehicle and put the vehicle on jack stands, removing the wheel and place under the vehicle for added safety, removing the wiper blade, remove these covers that hide the struts, remove the 2 strut bolts, remove the brake line and ABS sensor, remove the 2 strut bolts, remove the knuckle from the strut, and removing the 3 nuts that holds the strut together. This old strut is out, and I will reverse all the steps I took to remove this strut to install the new strut. Let's start the process. This is the box these struts came in. These struts are from All-Around and they are very affordable struts. If you want to buy these struts, I will put a link in the description below, and you can check out your website because they have other parts for different make and model vehicles. Here is an installation guide. This is the right strut and it's labeled R right here. This is the left strut and as you can see the end letter is L right here. Now it's time to install these struts. I will loosen all the lug nuts on the front wheels. Now I will place this rack at the rear wheel to prevent the vehicle from running back. Now I will lift the vehicle with the jack and lower the vehicle on the jack stands. Now I can remove each wheel and place under the vehicle for added safety. Now I will remove these plastic covers and wiper blade to get access to the strut nuts. I'm using the pry tool right here to remove these nuts. As you saw, those nuts broke, so it's good to have some extra clips on hand. Now I will remove the wiper blade. I'm using a 14mm socket. Now I can remove the wiper blade and remove these trims. This vehicle was designed so there would be no need to remove this plastic trim because there is an opening here where you can reach in with a wrench, and also there's a hole here that you can reach down with a socket set. That is a very small space for me to work in, and I want to be able to use my torque wrench to torque these nuts. I don't think I'll be able to do that in that small space, so I removed this trim. Now to the struts. I will use the breaker bar just to break them loose just a little bit. Now I can use the impact gun to remove these nuts. There is not much space for the lower nut, so using an extension like this would be good, or an extension like this. Now I will remove this 13mm bolts for the brake line. Now I will remove the brake line with the pry tool. Now I can remove the strut bolts. Now I can separate the knuckle from the strut. Now I'll remove 2 of the strut nuts first, then loosen the 3rd one. For the 3rd nut, I'll hold the strut so it doesn't fall while removing the nut. Now this is the old strut. This is the new one which will be installed right now. There's a strut bolt at the top here that I recommend to tighten. I will tighten this just a little bit while it's on the vehicle. I just need to align the studs in the opening and secure with one of the nuts. Now I can install the other 2 nuts. Now I can align the strut with the knuckle and install the strut bolts. I will install the nuts for the bolt and I will torque later. Now I'll install the brake line and the ABS sensor back on the strut. Now it's time to tighten all these nuts and torque to specification. I'll just use the impact gun to run these down, then torque to specifications. These top nuts should be torqued to 33 foot-pounds and the strut bolts to 67 foot-pounds. Now I will speed through the second strut. Here I'm using the breaker bar just to move those nuts. Now I'm using the impact gun to remove those nuts. Now I'll remove the ABS line and the brake line. Now I can remove those two bolts and then remove the 3 nuts holding this strut in place. The strut is out and you can see oil leaking from this strut. Now for the new strut. Note that you can reuse the old nuts. Now I will align the studs in the hole and secure with the nuts. Now I can torque these nuts to 33 foot-pounds. Now I can secure the strut to the knuckle and install the bolts. I'll now install the nut and torque to 76 foot-pounds. I'll just install the brake line and the ABS line and put the wheels back on the vehicle. I'll now install the wheel and torque each nut to 86 foot-pounds. After installing the wheel, I'm going to remove the jacks and lower the vehicle. Now I'm going to install the wiper blades and some clips to hold these trims back in place. I'll just work my way just to fit them back in place. There's no way to explain this, you just have to play with it and wiggle it around to get it back right in place. I'm also going to secure all these trims with clips, but I will do that later. I'm going to tighten these wiper blades, but not too tight. I don't need to go crazy with these. Now I'm going to pop these covers back over the wiper blade and this job is pretty much done. I just need to ensure that these clips are back in place, holding these plastic trims together, reinstall this rubber liner, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's it, guys. And remember, you might need a wheel alignment after a job like this. Before you go, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys.